the most beautiful music festival, I think, in the world. We get to all be together right now with the joy of music on this beautiful day. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Seriously, I appreciate it so much.
On the water,
Yeah.
surrounded by the
We
lake.
kind of have to do that every time. Like transport.
Yeah, that was incredible. Oh yeah, let's have a good time, guys.
By the way, guys, thanks for selling this shit out.
We
Thanks, Ben. Still the last one.
Still the last one.
One goes, knocked him down.
It was Sven's story that sold it out.
When there was one ticket left.
This song's called Breaking News. Wait a minute, you got my heart rate ticking, I'm spinning. I just wanna see you in the morning light, yeah. And love you in the morning light. And you say, hey, you call my name. I said, baby, what you doing today? And you say, oh, I don't know. I said, well, I know we take it slow. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. I'm in love with you. Yeah, breaking news, oh yeah. Breaking news, alright. Breaking news. I'm in love with you. I need to know, feeling the same. I need to know, we're moving the right way. I need to know. 'Cause I misunderstood when I told you that I love you 'cause you love me. I hope that you can see it all clearly. Yeah, props. Breaking news, oh yeah. Breaking news, alright. Breaking news. I'm in love with you. Yeah, breaking news, oh yeah. Breaking news, alright. Breaking news. I'm in love with all you guys. This next song is called Why Not. It's a fresh one, completely unreleased.
Let's go!
Yeah. This one's about keeping your head up and staying positive.
It should be released.
Whatever comes our way. I know we can all relate to that. Those days, I feel like everything ain't going my way. Beating myself up, oh, what can I say? Okay, I think I left my soul out in the rain. Well, the TV ain't working, it's getting me in trouble. Bad decisions that I made a couple, and it's hard work getting through this rubble. Okay, and I left my coffee saw a cop, no way. Okay, I'ma keep my head up, 'cause why not? I'ma keep on smiling, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep my head up off the ground, as long as that sunshine stick around. Yeah, I'ma keep my head up, 'cause why not? I'ma keep on smiling, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep my head up off the ground, as long as that sunshine stick around, stick around. Yeah. Sometimes I be getting stressed, no different from the rest. I've been living outside my head these days. But in times like these, I look above and try to find a little love and tell myself that every little thing is gonna be okay. 'Cause I'ma keep my head up, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep on smiling, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep my head up off the ground, as long as that sunshine sticks around. Yeah, I'ma keep my head up, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep on smiling, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep my head up off the ground, as long as that sunshine sticks around, stick around. Hey. We gonna keep our heads up. We gonna stay positive. That's what it's all about. And every day I'm getting better. You know, one foot front of the next. I've been patient for that cheddar, putting a feeling over a check. And I know that sometimes you gotta race when you're up next. But let me catch my breath, 'cause I'ma keep my head up, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep on smiling, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep my head up off the ground, as long as that sunshine stick around. Yeah, I'ma keep my head up, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep on smiling, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep my head up off the ground, as long as that sunshine stick around. Yo, help me out. I'ma keep my head up, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep on smiling, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep my head up, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep on smiling, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep my head up, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep on smiling, 'cause why not? Yeah, I'ma keep my head up off the ground, as long as that sunshine sticks around. It's sticking around right now. Are you feeling that one?
It's stuck in my head now.
It'll never leave.
Why not?
Why not?
Should I release it? Why not? Oh yeah, we're stoked on that one. We'll probably have our debut album out fairly shortly, hopefully by the end of the year. We're working with Nautical Records, which we're really stoked about.
Excellent.
Yeah, hopefully like August, September-ish. Keep an eye out.
Monkey Mango needs to be on there.
100%.
Also, a children's book is coming out with that.
Yes.
Sven's an incredible artist, if you guys don't know.
Are you serious? Yeah, I got it. I'll yeah, it's coming. Oh my god. That's great.
Alright, this song's called Real Love. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yo, we feeling good out there?
Doing good, baby.
You haven't changed your mind. Still find it funny to be spreading your bad vibes. I can feel your energy from a mile away. There ain't nothing authentic to the words you say, and I can I want that real love, baby. That's what I want lately. Not that fake stuff that's going out of style. I want that real love that take care of you when you're sick, love. That I don't care if you're not rich, love. That's going out of style. Go, Pops, go, Pops.
Yes.
Times I've been here before, oh, yeah. So many times I give it a shot, and then I realize I'm not really for all of the stupid little games you play, girl. The games you play, all of the stupid little games you play, girl. The games you play. I want that real love, baby. That's what I want lately. Not that fake stuff that's going out of style. Hey, I want that real love, baby. That's what I want lately. Not that fake stuff that's going out of style. Yeah, I want that real love that take care. We're on a boat. Okay, if you guys have seen us live before, you guys might know this song. Okay. This song Pops wrote after a surf trip in Costa Rica, where they have monkeys, and they steal your stuff. And Pops had a mango one time, and a monkey ran down from a tree, and he grabbed Pops' mango, and he ran up with it, and he took a bite out of it. And it was such a silly situation that we wrote a song about it, and it's called "Monkey Ate My Mango."
Let's go.
There might be a children's book about it too.
I'm working on children's book. Yeah, it's a fun one. You guys want to have some fun?
Amazon Prime, baby.
Let's go, Pops! You got this!
a sea just west of the island. And sing for love in the sky. You will find lots of beautiful places. The monkey he swims from the vine. He bites the mango and he throws it at me. Well, a monkey ate my mango. Yeah, a monkey ate my mango. Too bad, so sad. My mango ain't coming back. Yeah, a monkey ate my mango. Yeah, a monkey ate my mango. A monkey ate my mango. Oh, oh, oh. Live a life that is happy. They swing through the trees with the greatest of ease. They bite the mango and they throw it at me. Yeah, a monkey ate my mango. Yes, man. Yeah, a monkey ate my mango.
Yeah.
Too bad, so sad. My mango ain't coming back. Yeah, a monkey ate my mango. Yeah, a monkey ate my mango. A monkey ate my mango. Oh, oh, oh. Let me say, whoa, 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 whoa. A monkey ate my mango. Yo, what's up? Say, whoa, 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 whoa. A monkey ate my mango. Yeah, a monkey ate my mango. Monkey ate my mango. Too bad, so sad. My mango ain't coming back. Monkey ate my mango. Yeah, monkey ate my mango. So sad, so sad. Monkey ate my mango. Monkey ate my mango. Well, it seems bad. He lives there. A monkey ate my mango.
Hell yeah.
Yo, man. Let's go, y'all.
Gotta write some catchy stuff, man.
Alright, we got one more song for you guys. This has been very fun. This has been awesome. Song called Thinking of You. I'm thinking of you guys right now. When we walked into this festival yesterday, we saw Claire walk out with her baby bump. She's got a baby in her hand. She's on this one. My heart's in the little bubbles. Got a lot of little troubles. But there's one thing I know. I need a little time to grow. Thinking too much on my decisions. I see the future's getting written on every little thing I see. Get out of my own way. I'm thinking of you. Thinking of you. Thinking of all the times we had. Every now and then. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Thinking of all the times we had. Every now and then. Oh, oh, oh. And all I see on my TV, all these faces and their feet, they got a lot of places to be, and not a lot of love, not a lot of love. All I see on my little screen, all these faces pretend like me, they got a lot of places I could be, but not a lot of love, not a lot of love. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of all the times we had. Every now and then. I'm thinking of you. Thinking of you. Thinking of all the times we had. Every now and then. I'm thinking about the sun melting into the sky. Kaleidoscope of colors melting into your eyes. Feeling fireworks like the 4th of July. We were barefoot, blue jeans, summer nights. I know life gets hard sometimes, but when I think of you, I find peace of mind. Maybe we could get together and just unwind, and everything will be alright. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of all the times we had. Every now and then. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of all the times we had. Every now and then. I'm feeling alright. Feeling alright. If you're feeling alright, feeling alright. I'm feeling alright. Feeling alright. Hey, everybody. Feeling alright. Come on, who's feeling alright? Feeling alright. Feeling alright. Feeling alright. Thinking of you. Thinking of you. Thinking of all the times we had. Every now and then. Thinking of you. Thinking of you. Thinking of all the times we had. Every now and then. I'm thinking of you. Thank you guys.